Hi, this is Nick. Welcome to the channel where we talk all things real estate in the Czech Republic. Today I'm going to ask the question, what can you do if you can't afford your mortgage? At the moment, the economic situation is worsening, and for a lot of people, maybe still unaffected, but for some, they may soon be affected by the economy in general. Especially if you've got your mortgage fixed period is ending maybe this year and you're going to get thrown onto a new very high rate, it could mean that your mortgage is now unaffordable. So what can you do about it? One of the first things you can do is speak to your bank. You know, banks, although they are seen as totally rigid and non-understanding entities, you can sometimes, if you speak to the right people in there, you can get something sorted. So some options there could be extending your mortgage term. So if you've got 20 years to run on your mortgage, your bank might be able to extend it to 25 or 30 and lower your repayments and make them affordable. That works for both sides. Equally, if it's like a short-term problem, you may be able to negotiate with your bank, for example, a period of just paying the interest and not the capital, maybe for 6 months or something like that. I've seen this done in the past. I don't know what the situation is now, but it'd be worth speaking to your bank or to a mortgage broker about that. The other main option would be to consider selling your property. You know, for a lot of people, it could be something that you're looking a few months down the road that things might be not so good. Maybe if you're self-employed or even employed in an industry that's suffering at the moment, then it may be worth looking at selling your property. And this does take time, so it's worth planning accordingly and worth starting early. I mean, you can always market your property, find a buyer, and if you don't want to complete or don't want to sign the contracts, then you don't. But at least at that point in time, you're a month or so from getting the money, rather than worrying about it until the last minute and then putting your property on in what is a declining market. May give you a lot less options, and it may make the result of repaying your mortgage a bit further away and become a bigger problem sooner rather than later. So those are my 2 tips on that. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.